How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. So listen, I want to put 5 stocks on your radar today that have very high short interest, and these stocks could, keyword is could, squeeze in the short term. And actually, we're already seeing some movement in a couple of these stocks. But first, guys, before we dive into it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. APY, which, guys, you might as well use that link. The clock's ticking, or simply go to stasurfs.com/moomoo. And now, cheers again. Let's get into it. So the market is closed today, guys. Today's Thursday, and the market's closed to honor President Carter, who recently passed away. So keep that in mind. And we're still going to break down some stocks. We still have to break down kind of a game plan here with these, I guess, more risky stocks. They are, we're going to put them on your radar as the market is back open tomorrow and obviously next week. So keep that in mind, guys. Markets are closed today. And with that being said, let's get into it. Stock number one, which this is one that is already moving a little bit here, guys. It is ticker symbol SANA. It's called Sana or Sana, I guess Sana, whatever you want to call it. Biotechnology. So it's a biotech company you guys see right here. And on the recent trading day yesterday, I keep thinking it's the weekend because we have all these odd days off, with the holidays, now with today being off. I keep thinking it's Saturday or what, but I'm trying to think in my head, what was the last trading day? Yeah, it was yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday, right? So yesterday, Wednesday, Sana Biotechnology, which, by the way, has 29% short interest right now. This stock went up 160% yesterday. Yes, you heard that right. The stock was at $1.70 at close on, it looks like on Tuesday, actually. Then we ripped all the way to $8. Think about that, guys. $8. So we were up well over 160% at one point in the pre-market on Wednesday. Yesterday, it looks like we were up 380%. And now it's it's come down a lot from that $8 high in the pre-market Wednesday. Now we're at $4.40. And we still went up 160% on Wednesday, yesterday. Unbelievable. So SANA, I'm looking to see if we get a continuation play here. Will we get another rally? It's still very high short interest. The stock is still beaten down in the grand scheme of things. So let's see what we can do here in the low to mid fours, guys. And if we break under $4, all right, maybe this thing flushes right back down to the mid high twos. But for now, let's see what we do at $4. And by the way, guys, these stocks are all risky. Please trade at your own risk and realize with stocks like this, at least in my opinion, you shouldn't put an amount of money that you're willing to or not willing to lose, right? If you're not willing to lose, let's say $10,000, don't put $10,000 in stocks like these. Be smart about it, right? Be smart about it. So that is Sana Biotechnology. The second stock I want to go over, which we've covered in recent updates, but we'll cover it again. It's Hertz. Hertz Global is slowly starting to move here in this channel. We hit about $3.25 not too long ago, about a week or two ago. Now we're pushing $4. And I mean, the uptrend, it's trying to hold here. It's fighting, right? We're right by the 180 SMA on this 4-hour chart. So if HTZ can crack over, let's say $4.15, this could start breaking out top of the channel, and this has 33% short interest pretty much. There could be a lot more upside. So I like the chart here. I think we could have more upside, but I'm going to wait till we take out roughly $4.20. I'll set my alert there right now. Mark is at or above $4.20. So that's stock number 2. Stock number 3 is Altimmune. I think we've covered this before a couple of times, and I'm just waiting on it. I'm just waiting on this to break out, guys, very patiently here. We had a 2% green day yesterday. The stock currently has 34% short interest, and you can see for yourselves the uptrend is holding. The chart actually looks pretty decent right here, which, I mean, it's been looking good for a couple of months. Now let's just wait for the pop. I would say if we start pushing over $8, I already have an alert at $8.50. If we start cracking 8, we break $8.50, that's where we really could start building momentum here. So I just put my alert at 8. I had another one at $8.50, so we'll see how that ends up playing out. And before we go over the 4th stock, don't forget, guys, to sign up to the email list. It's completely free, and I send out my top 3 stocks every Monday, soon to be changed to Sunday. I'm going to change it up probably soon here in a couple of weeks, but either way, every week I'm sending my top 3 stocks to my email subscribers for free, and we have over 2,200 people on the email list, so check it out, linked right down below in the description box. So, number 4 is ENVX. Let me pull it up and show you guys. ENVX actually has been hot. We called this out, I think, in 2 weeks ago, or right around 2 weeks ago, a week ago maybe. Either way, you guys see the previous analysis here. We covered it when it was under 11. We called out the gap to 13. Boom, that filled. We actually broke out of there, got to almost $17. Unbelievable. And now we're cooling off. Obviously, we've pulled down from 16, 17 down to about $12. We're right by the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. Let's see if we rebound there. Let's see if we hold 12, 12.50 and start to get that push back over, I'd say 13, 13.50. If so, that'd be the breakout spot. Up to 16, maybe 17, maybe higher. And this one's got 30% short interest, guys. All of these pretty much have 25 to 35% short interest. So I'm going to set my alert for now, maybe at 12.75, because mind you guys, we did have a 15% red day on this stock yesterday. A lot of profit taking, weak hands being shaken out. So let's see if we actually get the recovery. I'll set my alert at $12.75, and we'll keep an eye on that. And last but not least, guys, we have NVAX, ticker symbol NVAX. And by the way, if you guys stuck till the end, hit that like button. I appreciate you all as always. And don't forget to subscribe. I think 60-70% of you guys watch the content here, but you're not subscribed. And we're on a mission to get to 50,000 subs. And I need you guys. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel here. It's free to do that as well. Just like the email list, subscribing here on YouTube is free. So NVAX, this is also coming off the back of a pretty big red day yesterday, 11% in the red, but there's no doubt momentum is picking up. This stock is up from the last earnings report about a month and a half ago. We're up around 35%, and we're still above both moving averages. We are holding the old highs as support right now, which is a good sign at about 950. So let's see if we get a rebound. I'm thinking anywhere in this 875 to 950 window, right by the moving averages here. This is where we could get a rebound on NVAX. NVAX is the ticker. But of course, no guarantees, guys. It's not guaranteed. But keep that in mind. 25% short interest on this one. And yeah, please do your own research, guys. Again, these stocks are very risky. You can lose a lot of money. Trust me on these stocks. You can lose a lot of money, but there's a chance you can also make some money. But again, trade at your own risk. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and snag up your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. APY, which, guys, come on, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.